Alright folks, Mark here from Adventure Time Outdoors. I'm just slamming down this stake here. We are on a hike looking for morels today. We found one so far, but nothing else. But I'm going to show you how to identify a morel a little bit later. And if we come across any more in the woods today, I'll show them to you. But we just had a lot of rain. We still have a lot of water holding up. The temperatures are rising, but it's a little bit too moist for them to pop up. But we did find one, so I'll show you how to identify those. Stick around. Let me slam this guy down, and we'll get to it. Alrighty, guys. So we did find one. It's a big beauty. Jesse is going to chop this guy down.
Oh, I see others over there. Nice.
All right.
Yeah, it's so good. This is perfect.
It's a goodie.
Yep. I'm gonna take a little good close look around because you never know if there's a few others. That's it. That's good. Sometimes you find better stuff than that, though.
Oh, there's one right here.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
I'll have to carry you out.
There we go. Look at that. That is a prime looking morel right there. Hollow inside, honeycomb outside, and it's all one piece and all hollow in there. Sorry folks, we did manage to find one morel. This one is pretty much spent. I wouldn't eat it personally, but just to give you an idea of what to look like, what you're going to look for. You're going to want to have like a smooth stalk coming down, rounded stalk. It's basically going to be in a conical shape. Sometimes they may get pushed over if they're growing under some underbrush or whatever it is, but the poisonous version of this, now I have a video up of the false morel, and I showed you what it looks like on the inside when you cut into it, and I will put a card up here for you guys to check it out and add a link to it at the end of this video, so you'll be able to see the difference between the two. But we're going to go ahead and cut this guy open, and we'll be able to get to the 100% way to identify a morel. So let's cut this guy open. Now, on the inside of a morel, you'll see it'll be completely smooth. On the inside, there'll be nothing weird growing in there, no white webbing or stringiness or anything like that. It'll be smooth. And you'll notice that the cap is actually attached to the stem and comes all the way down. The stem doesn't go inside. It doesn't act like an umbrella somewhat. It's one smooth line all the way up. Now, if you want, it'd be a good idea to go and compare this, what you're seeing here, to the false morel that I showed in my previous video, and check out that link. But this is a morel. So you've got honeycomb pattern, conical shape, hollow and smooth inside. This one has some marks on it on the inside because this morel is dying. It's pretty much inedible or spent. I'm not going to eat this guy. I'm going to leave it here. But there you go, guys. That is a morel. Go ahead and follow these steps to help you identify morels. If you want to learn how to identify hen of the woods or the poisonous false morel, you can click one of the links on the right. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click that link on the left to subscribe.